Speaking in English language plays the most important role in human life because it is an universal language. There are four skills of English language and speaking is one of them. Also, there are two types of speaker in English. One is native speakers and another is non-native speakers. Indeed, among all of the languages in the world, speaking in English works as a main tool of communication among different types of people. In the past, Latin was the language of contact, and today, English language takes that place. People just have to be skilled in speaking fluently in one language, which is English, and they will be able to communicate with people from all over the world. First of all, the quality of speaking in English helps people to maintain their international communications in all sectors like education, science and technology, media and entertainment, politics and economics, etc. Further, it is important for higher education and specialized training because English is the medium of instructions in education in most universities and higher education institutes of the world. Recently, speaking in English has become the key factor of global socialism because it has encouraged people to mix up with different types of people come from different regions of the world. When people of two different languages meet, they need to speak in a third language for better mutual communication and understanding. Here, speaking in English plays the role of that third language because of its widespread use and acceptance. Nowadays, every country is getting multicultural and speaking in one common language, English, is inevitable to understand, communicate, and live peacefully in such multicultural country. Furthermore, current world is the world of information technology and high-tech communication, where the ability of speaking in English is a must for everyone. People with a good command of speaking in English can surely get more opportunities in every sector of life. For example, having a good command of speaking in English is a blessing for people's career as they can get a suitable job and develop their own business as well. Multinational business organizations and many international corporations ask for people who have a great fluency of speaking in English. In fact, speaking in English is an unavoidable thing in present world because about 360 million people speak English as their first language and about 400 million people use English as their second language. Moreover, English is the official and semi-official language in most of the countries of the world, and maximum international organizations held their meetings in English where speaking in English is mandatory. However, native speakers can speak in English fluently because they have spoken the language from earliest childhood. But speaking in English fluently is not easy for everyone, especially it is really difficult for non-native speakers. Surprisingly, the vast majority of the speakers are non-native where maximum non-native speakers can read and write English perfectly, but they face trouble at the time of speaking. As the importance of speaking in English cannot be denied, it is necessary for everyone, especially for non-native speakers, to get fluency of speaking in English.